Oh my gosh, these colors just get better and better and better. Look at how pretty that is. So many beautiful rocks. That's a nice thing to find on my way out. Hey there, rockers! It's Kate from KatyDid. Have I got a treat for you today? I recently rediscovered a bag full of cabochons that my dad made 50 years ago. And so we're going to take a closer look at them and see what kind of treasures we can find. Come along. Some of you know already that my dad was a rockhound, and that's how I kind of got interested in rocks, is because we used to go hunting all over the country looking for wonderful things. And I recently was able to take some of my dad's stones home with me, and one of those things was this bag full of cabochons. Some of them are finished and some of them are not, and we're going to take a look to see what we've got. This one looks like a beautiful jasper. Looks like it maybe could use just a little bit more polish, but it's got a really nice shape to it. A lot of these rocks are unidentified, at least by me. So I have put numbers on each of the cabs. If you know what it is, go ahead and list the number and tell me what you see. This'll be fun. My dad used to go to rock shows and trade for lots of materials, so some of this stuff I have no idea what it is. This one's got an awful lot of fractures in it. It looks like maybe some kind of fossil material, but that one's probably not really worth working on just because it's got so much fracturing. Another really pretty jasper. So nice. Ooh, look at this one. That is spectacular. It's like a orbicular jasper, maybe? So pretty. That is really gorgeous. If this were a gold color, I would call it goldstone. I only just learned about this, that goldstone is an artificial stone. I don't know if this is or not. It has the same kind of glassy, sparkly stuff, but anybody who knows, let me know. Here's an example of one that has been cut out on the trim saw, but not yet cabbed. And I really appreciate the kind of smoothness that this has as it's been trimmed. It must have been trimmed and then slightly ground, just not cabbed. And again, I don't really know what that is, but I sure like that stone. Ooh, look at this jasper. Oh, there's something really special about holding these and knowing my dad made these all those years ago. That is really cool. Here's another one that needs cabbing. Maybe a rose quartz of some kind. That is pretty. Wow, look at all the stuff that's going on inside that one. Again, not sure what they are. I'm going to put numbers on these so that people can help me identify them as they see them, because the group brain is much bigger than mine. Wow, this looks like an actual moss agate. Has some kind of bubbly stuff going on there on the top. I don't know if that's a flaw or if it's just part of the rock, but that is just beautiful. Let's see what happens if we hold it up to the sun. Oh, isn't that cool? Oh, so cool. Very nice. Looks like another jasper. You know, when my dad used to go agate hunting, my mom would always pick up jaspers and he'd say, nope, just a jasper. And then she'd throw it away with disappointment. Apparently he has an appreciation for jaspers as well, because there sure are a lot of them in here. Ooh, here's another one of those mossy moss agates. This one's it's very flat. I wonder if it was tumbled, because it's really hard to get that kind of it's hard to get a shine on something that's not, doesn't have a dome on it. That is really pretty. Agate Dad, you'll be happy to know I licked this one. This is, I don't know, some kind of lace agate. It's got some quartz crystals in there. Anyway, that one needs to be finished as well. Wow, just look at that. That is just spectacular. Again, it looks like maybe a moss agate of some kind. I really like it. I know what this one is. Here's a beautiful tiger eye. The really fine lines in this refract the light, and that's what makes it kind of twinkle like this. I remember when I was a kid and my dad was working on stuff like this, I was just fascinated by the play of the light. That's pretty. I wonder if this one is petrified wood. It sure looks like it. I know my dad made lots of stuff out of petrified wood as well. How do you like this one? This is orbicular something. Is it leopard jasper? I don't even know. I just think it's so beautiful though. That is just like super, super cool. I can't wait to find out what some of this stuff is. This pink stone has dendrites all through it. I'm kind of wondering if it was maybe dyed, because that just seems odd that it would have the pink, but I could be totally wrong. Here's another plumy looking kind of mossy agate. Again, not sure exactly what type, but 100% pretty. Here's another flat one. I think I'm going to put these flat ones in my vibratory tumbler because it'll give them a nice shine without having to try to make it rounded on the top. They're just too skinny for me to be able to do that. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also ring the bell and you'll get notifications so that every time we put out a video, you'll be notified. That is just beautiful. Love that green. So pretty. Wow. That is a moss agate with the quartz crystals. That's really beautiful. Really beautiful. Oh my gosh, these colors just get better and better and better. Look at how pretty that is. So nice. More pretty jasper. This is onyx, I think. It's pretty. Look at that creamy white. Oh, look at that. See, one of the reasons I like the jaspery type rocks is because they have so much variation inside. I'm kind of assuming that this is what this is some kind of jasper, but wow. Here's another one of those just crazy looking jasp agates. Wow. I mean, I guess it's a jasp agate. It's got jasper and it's got agate in it, so that's what I'm gonna call it. It's even got some moss in there. Well, I hope you enjoyed yourself. I just think those are so wonderful. This is Kate from KatyDid. Keep on doing. If you hadn't... Why is this so hard?